BGS. Hello, here's your BGS Michael. Today I brought the silent block toolset for Opel from BGS Technique. With this tool you can assemble and disassemble the silent block on the rear axle without removing it. Please pay attention to the model and year of your car. I'll show you now how it all works. Now we have cleared, loosened and prepared the whole environment. Please be careful when I lower the axle, don't drop it too far, just enough to get to the screw. Now I'll show you step by step what to do here and how we use the special tool for removing the silent blocks. First of all, we assemble the ejection bearing with the spindle, which we then push through the silent block. Then we put the bell on from the back. Please make sure that the recess fits into your rear axle. This then attaches itself as soon as you have the correct fit. Screw the bolts on hand tight. With that you got the right fit. Then you slide the counterplate from behind onto the bell. Then you secure the whole set from behind with the nut. Once you've done that, tighten the bolts on the bell so you have the right fit. When you're done with this, make sure that everything is correctly assembled, and then you can start. So now we have removed the old silent block and we have to install the new one. And of course BGS also has the right adapter plates in the set. Please clean the contact surfaces from corrosion and other dirt beforehand. A tip, please pay attention to the exact installation position of the silent block. Please get the information from the vehicle manufacturer. You saw that the installation was as quick and as easy as the removal. Another tip about the nuts, they have a very special thrust bearing in the middle. They are really powerful, you can really work with great power without any problems. I absolutely love this tool. Stay tuned, your BGS Michael.